Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. Today in this video, we're showing you how to achieve this soft brown natural eye makeup look. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve that look. In this video, I am trying out a new setup. So if you're seeing like a little bit of something right here in this area, it is because I do have a mirror now that I'm using to try to focus more directly into the camera, so it's not a lot that blocks the face while I'm doing the tutorial. Just trying to see what really works best as I continue to improve my camera quality and my quality as far as my uploads. So definitely, if you like this way, definitely let me know in the comment section below, or different ways that you would like to see a tutorial step by step, or you like the up close and personal ones. Definitely let me know, because I'm definitely here to make sure that my videos are appealing to my audience, my subscribers. So definitely let me know in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so to begin, we're going in with the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with Yoded as the first transition shade. Next, from the same palette, I'll be going in with the shade Kufaru, and I'll be using that to apply on top of the transition shade Yoded. And I'm doing this process because you have to know certain shades and how they appear on your skin. So I wanted to make sure that the brown did apply and show as rich as it does on the palette. So I definitely wanted to use Yoded as a transition shade just to lighten that, so that way it will blend out smoothly and that you can see that the color is transitioning when I apply it on my lid. Hey guys, it's me. I'm making this tutorial to see what's up and why you guys have not subscribed to my channel. Since you made it this far in the video and you're seeing me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you at it, hit the like button and the notification bell so you can be subscribed to my channel, get notifications every time I upload a video, and like it to show some support. I greatly appreciate it, and let's go ahead and get back into this video. I did go in and use a different blush because I wanted to have more direction and more control when I'm applying that shadow, because I wanted to make sure that it did look blended out when it went to the corner and the upper part of my brow. Next, I'm going in with my Master Primer by Maybelline, and I'm going to go ahead and prime the face. Before off camera, when I did my brows, I went on and moisturized my face, so you did not see that part already, but I did that first before I even do my brows. So the face is moisturized and I primed it with that. So I'm going in with my Milani full coverage, I would say concealer, Lord, foundation, and that is in the shade 10, and I'm just applying that on my skin before I use my brush and blend it out. looks funny or crazy right now, but just trust the process. It turns out good in the end. Sometimes foundations may be a tad bit maybe one color darker or lighter, depending on the look you're looking for, but just allow that time for the foundation to get into the skin, oxidize if you need to, and just really set itself. So just trust the process here. You see how it looks in the end, so it all works itself out. I'll go in with the same brush that I use for my foundation to help blend out my contour. I do this because it helps smooth out those areas and eliminates any harsh or rough noticeable edges. I like to go in with my beauty blender to blend out my concealer under my eye or any of my highlighted areas. I find this to be beneficial because it helps blend out, make it an even soft finish, and it helps me maneuver those tight little areas like the inner part of my eyelid. I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25. This is the setting powder. I'm using that to just try to contour under my cheek area a little bit more to make it more defined. I just started doing that. I'm not sure if this is like an everyday go-to, but I wanted to see how that would look with this look as I'm completing it. I just feel like it would define it more. And as bronze as I got my cheek, I wanted to make it very defined in that area. I like to apply eyeshadow in the waterline of my eyes because whenever I apply mascara onto my bottom lash, I find that it makes my look pop more when I have a little bit of shadow there that can help define my bottom lashes. Y'all know this is a different type of tutorial when I'm showing y'all me put my lashes on. I mean, it's not bad or nothing like that, but I just never done it, and I thought it was gonna be difficult on camera. But I think the way I have this new mirror setup, it's not bad for me to do it on camera. So I may start incorporating me applying my lashes on camera more going forward. So I hope you guys enjoyed that portion of this video as I apply my lashes. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.